Hello to all of you. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand that how to do the prediction for new data using K nearest neighborhood algorithm. The K nearest neighbors algorithm is a simple supervised machine learning algorithm that can be used to solve both classification and regression problem. It is easy to implement and understand, but has a major drawback of becoming significantly slow as the size of the data increases. Now, how we can do the prediction for the new data set in Rapidminer? Let's see. First, we'll drag and drop it, the Heart1 dataset here. Press the play button, and you can see here the attributes which are there are age, gender, chest pain type, resting blood pressure, cholesterol, fasting blood sugar, resting ACG, max HR, exercise, yes and no, old peak, ST slope, and the heart disease. The target variable is a heart disease which has been captured in yes and no, and therefore it is a classification problem which we have to address. Now, on the basis of these attributes, we want to predict about the heart disease. We go in design and I'll activate select attribute operator. Now, why this operator is necessary? Because your dataset may be consisting of many variables, but all these variables or attributes are not matter of our interest. Therefore, we want to select some of them. So activate the select or attribute operator, go in subsetting, select attributes. And now we will select few of them from here. So I'll consider age, cholesterol, fasting blood sugar, heart disease, old peak, and resting blood pressure from here and transfer it here. Apply. Now I'll set the rule. K-nearest neighborhood algorithm falls under the supervised learning technique, and therefore it is necessary for us to specify the target variable, or also known as a dependent variable. So I'll go here and activate the heart disease from here. You had seen in the last column of the data set. Make it sure that the target rule is labeled. Now I'll activate the cross validation from here. I'll drop it here. When any operator has got the two layers, it means that it is having a sub process, main process and sub process, also known as a parent process and child process. Double click on it and your screen will get divided into two parts, training and testing data set. Now activate the KNN algorithm here. Drag it and drop it in the training data set. Connect the training with training, model with model, and example with true. Now go in this window and activate apply model. Drag it and drop it here. Connect model with model and testing with unlabeled. Now activate the performance operator. There are many type of performance operators you can see here, but I'll only select performance operator which is related to the classification problem because we have seen that the heart disease has been captured in yes and no. Therefore, I'll connect label with label, performance with performance, and example with the test. Once all the splines are connected, press the up arrow and you will come in the main process. Now I will bring the new data set Heart1. This is a testing data set. Model has never seen this data set, right? We are completely giving new fresh of data to the model. Make sure to carry out all the pre-processes which have been done earlier. So I can copy this and I can bring it here and I'll connect this so that the pre-processes are done again for testing data. Now activate the apply model from here. Drag it and drop it. Now connect model with model and example with the unlabeled. Now you can connect label with the result window and the model with the result window. Press the play button. Basically what will happen? The model which has been made using this process. On this, we are feeding a completely new data set to predict that on the basis of these attributes, a person should have a heart disease or not. So play button. Directly go in example set where I'll be having 10 new cases. So the prediction is given in this column and the original raw data is this one. The confidence of no and yes has been given in this. Now you can see. So in the first case, the prediction is correct. No and no. The person was not having the heart disease. And here the prediction, the algorithm also predicted correct. So first one is correct, second is correct, third is correct. And therefore the algorithm worked very well. But in case of sixth one, the misclassification happened. Okay. So for more videos on Rapidminer, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos of Rapidminer. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please don't forget to press the like button.